Hi, thank you so much for joining us today. We are here with my Auntie Julie, and she is going to be teaching us how to make one of her favorite sweet treats. So Auntie Julie, what are we making today? And tell us about the first time you remember making, or something from your childhood about...
We're making sucre à la crème,
Yeah.
which if you translate, it's sugar with cream,
Ooh,
basically.
yum. So perfect.
So it's a fudge.
Yeah.
But in Quebec, we call it sucre à la crème.
Mm-hmm.
And I ate sucre à la crème growing up. My mom made it all the time, and my grandmother made it all the time. So it's like something we grew up with. So,
Right. So something is traditional in your family, something that you just whip up. And I see here that the ingredients are really simple. Could you tell us about the ingredients?
Yes. The ingredients on this, what we're gonna make today, you need like 3 cups of brown sugar and 1.5 cup of full cream, like 35% cream.
Yeah.
And there's gonna be a little bit of maple syrup and a little bit of butter.
Okay.
And if you want, you can add some walnuts.
Okay.
But the one we're gonna make right now, no walnuts.
Okay, sounds good. Yum.
Because
So
if people
excited.
have allergies.
Yes, right. Absolutely.
You don't want them to have the option.
For sure. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to
pour this in there.
Okay.
In my pot. I use a really old, like, Tefal pot.
Yeah.
But it works for me. And so what you do is, like, you mix this together, and then you bring it to a boil. So we're gonna have this going for about 3.5 minutes.
And you're not going to want to step away from this, right?
No, not at all.
Because
go
dairy or cream, it will burn.
Yeah.
Out of the fridge. And how long did it have to sit in there?
Well, it says 2 hours.
Okay, 2 hours. And if you're going to take this out of the freezer, you want it to thaw before you serve.
Yes,
correct?
Of course, because that's what my grandmother would do. She would say, "Don't take it right now. I just took it out, and then we do have to wait." Which
Perfect.
Is hard.
So just show us how you lift it out, and basically it's just you're going to cut it into chunks.
That's why I use the parchment, the paper, just because of that. So you don't have to make it fancy, but it makes it so easy
to pop out. And you just cut it up, and this is the perfect thing to serve to friends, family, neighbors. Yes. Because you can just give them a couple slices, and it's the perfect amount.
Yeah, you can make like bigger pieces, smaller pieces, whatever pieces you know. I like the smaller ones.
Yes.
And this one is the one with the walnuts, and this one is without the walnuts.
They're so creamy.
Try this one.
Okay, and I like the walnuts. It adds a nice little texture to it. And it tastes like maple syrup.
Yeah.
Like maple syrup, fudge. It's so creamy and so delicious. Thank you so much for helping.
You're welcome.
And teaching me how to make la crème de
sucre
à la crème.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is one of my favorite desserts.
You're welcome.